In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add app lock in Samsung phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily lock applications on any Samsung device natively, so you don't need to download additional applications. This is going to be primarily done by using the Secure Folder feature. This secure folder allows you to lock specific applications, and you can only access anything inside of this secure folder using a specific PIN, passcode, pattern, and so on. And like I said before, you don't need to download it. It is natively built into modern Samsung devices. To make sure that it works, go into Settings, Security and Privacy, and then More Security Settings. Finally, you will find Secure Folder under here. Inside of Secure Folder, they will give you an introduction, so make sure that you agree with the terms and conditions. Continue. And now you can set up the Secure Folder lock type. Most people prefer a PIN. It is easy to use, medium-high security, and it works well enough. But you can set up a custom password. It can be as long as you want, including letters and numbers, or a pattern, where you will have to draw a specific pattern on a grid to unlock. It's up to you. It's all personal preference. You can enable biometrics as well. And you can allow lock reset by using your Samsung account email, so if you ever lose access to the PIN, password, or pattern. Then, when you finish setting it up, you can choose which applications you would like to add. So make sure that you choose as many applications as you want to be locked. You can even add specific photos if you go inside of the gallery, so you can choose specific photos and videos instead of adding the whole gallery. And now inside of your secure folder, you will find all of those locked applications. So you look for the secure folder as a normal app, you open it up, input the password, PIN, whatever you have set up for security, and then the apps that you locked will be available inside, and you can open them up. If you added specific photos and videos, you can go into the gallery inside of the secure folder, and they will be available here as well. You can add new applications by tapping this plus sign and then adding them here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.